Find the constant c such that the function f of x is equal to cx squared when x ranges from 0 to 3 and it is 0 otherwise. It's a density function, and then find the probability that x ranges from 1 to 2. So for us to get c, we know that if you integrate f of x from a given range, let's say from negative infinity to infinity, with respect to x, then you're supposed to get 1. So it means that the f of x that we have here, if we integrate it within this range, if we take from 0 to 3, our f of x is cx squared. If we integrate that with respect to x, then we are supposed to get 1. So let us integrate that. So if we integrate that, we're going to have cx raised to power 3 over 3. Then the range is 0 and 3. So it means we're going to substitute the values of x when it is 3 and when it is 0. So the first case, when it is 3, we have 3 cubed. So that is 27 over 3 c. And when it is 0, it is going to be 0. So that is the same as 27 divided by 3, that is 9. So we have 9c minus 0, that is still 9c. And remember, we said that if you integrate that f of x with respect to x, we're going to get 1. So this is equal to 1. So it means that c is equal to 1 over 9. So it means our f of x there, f of x is equal to cx squared. So our c is 1 over 9. So we have 1 over 9 x squared when x ranges from 0 to 3 and 0 otherwise. So then find the probability that x ranges from 1 to 2. So we're just going to write that probability 1 less than x less than 2 is going to be, we integrate within that range 1 to 2, we integrate the f of x. So f of x is 1 over 9 x squared. So we integrate that with respect to x. So if we integrate this, we're going to have x cubed over 3 times 9, that is 27. Then the range is 1 to 2. So all we need to do is to substitute the value of x when it is 2 and when it is 1 and get the difference. So this will be, when x is 2, we have 2 cubed over 27 minus, when x is 1, that is 1 cubed over 27. So we have 2 cubed, that is 8. So we have 8 over 27 minus 1 over 27. So that is 8 minus 1, that is 7 over 27. So that is the probability that x is between 1 and 2.